Hello and welcome to John Banks Renault and Dacia Ipswich, where we are happy to announce our latest arrival, the 2023 X Demonstrator Lwb Trafic Extra. This vehicle is the same trim level as the old Lwb Trafic Sport. Is in a grey colourway with 17-inch alloy wheels and rear parking sensors. It is a lovely example. Moving on to the interior, we have front electric windows, a portable desk, a low mileage of less than 6,000. It is a 6-speed manual, has air conditioning, a built-in sat-nav with Bluetooth, radio, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto also integrated into the touchscreen. Also a wide view mirror. Moving into the passenger side, we have under-seat storage and a rear through bulkhead, which I will show you in a second. Now moving into the rear of the van, it is very spacious. It has already been plied, and here is the rear through bulkhead, which can take loads that are up to 4.15 meters long. As I said, this van is a lovely example. Thank you very much for watching this short video, and for any more information, please don't hesitate to contact the team. Thank you very much.